The smartphone maker company, Vivo, is bringing a big surprise this year. Vivo is coming up with a new design phone, with a flying drone camera. The following video is about all the convenient features that can be enjoyed in this phone. So, let's get started. At the end of last year, the unique technique of the phone with this flying drone surprised everyone. Vivo claims that this phone will be different from all other phones in the market. The phone will be different from the phone. Because of this, a camera of 200 megapixels of this phone will come out from the top of the phone and work as a moving drone. And will be able to take videos and photos. Vivo has already said that this phone will have a 200 megapixels camera sensor. The phone has a 6.5-inch display, and it will have a resolution of 2040 by 3200 pixels. It will have a 120 Hz refresh rate, with always one display. The phone is expected to have 4 cameras, out of which the main camera will be 200 megapixels. An ultra-wide sensor of 32 megapixels, 16 megapixels telephoto sensor, and 5 megapixels micro sensor. The phone will also have a 64MP selfie camera. This new phone of Vivo has a powerful processor of Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. It must be a 5G processor. This phone of Vivo has 6 with 256 GB, and 12 GB with 512 GB as RAM and ROM. It will have Android version 13, out of box, and Vivo's own OS FunTouch. It is said that the battery of this phone will be 6000 mAh, a powerful battery. It comes with a 65-watt fast charger to charge the phone. This phone will provide 36 hours of battery backup on one charge. So, let's talk about the price of the phone. It is believed that the price of this phone will be a little less or more than $1,100.